In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play ranked on TFT on, of course, on your PC. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open your PC that contains the TFT. If you don't have the TFT downloaded, you'll have to go and download it through your Riot client. And if you don't even have the Riot client, you'll have to go and download that through whatever browser you're using. Once you open your browser, go to the URL section, make sure to type one of those three: download the League of Legends, download TFT, or even download the Riot client. All of them will take you into one link. From there, you'll be able to download the Riot client, and once it's downloaded, install it and then open it up with your regular way, or you can just go and open it through your desktop. Once it's opened, of course, or even if you type download League of Legends, the download will start automatically. You will not have to download or to open anything. So here, once it's opened, of course, the Riot client, you'll find your games. This is already installed into your PC. If you have the Teamfight access here, you'll be able to open this up. But if you don't, you'll have to scroll down a bit into this all games. Make sure to click at Teamfight access, and from here you'll be able to install it in your PC through the League of Legends if you want, and in your phone through the App Store if you're using an iPhone, and through the Google Play if you're using an Android. Once you choose one of your options, of course, download it. Once it's downloaded, you can open it up. Make sure that if you want to play League of Legends, you will have to download. If you want to play the Teamfight Tactics, you will have to download League of Legends because the TFT is actually included in the League of Legends. And of course, once you choose that, they will actually ask you to log in into your account. So if you have an account, make sure to go and log and create one. Sorry, if you have an account, just go and log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and create an account. Of course, you'll not be able to create your account from here. You'll have to go and create it through the browser. Just go and type create a Riot Games account, and that should give you the opportunity to play whatever game of the Riot Games from here with just one account. So let's just go and open the League of Legends for us, and from there you will be able to play our TFT ranked mode, of course. And let's just wait for the game until it opens. So let's just wait for that, and it should not take a lot of time. So once we are here, simply the first thing that we would like to do, of course, is just go and hit this play button. Once we are here, go to Teamfight Tactics and make sure to choose this ranking option. Then click at confirm, and from here, of course, you'll be able to invite your friends. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you are the 8th, so you can play 8 of you. If you don't want to, you want to queue alone or go alone, you can click at find match and wait until an accept pop-out comes into your face. So let's just wait for it, and I'm coming back into you. So as you can see, that is the accept pop-out into your client. If you want to play the ranked, of course, click at accept. If you don't want to, if something urgent like come to you, make sure to decline, which I'm going to do because I don't want to play ranked right now in TFT, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.